There is a school for the differently abled children nearby.
My lord, may I?
You have to have some.
Yes,
concern.
We will not play.
Your puja committee has to have some concern for the neighborhood. Your committee thinks they are bigger than Ma Jagadatri. You please keep the president's photograph because president thinks he is above the deity. And what will the OC do? You will honor him. You will bring him there, put him shawl, etc., etc. Give him a big gift. Take photographs with him. Matter is over. And I have visited Chandarnagar last year for Jagadadri Puja. This year, I don't propose to go.
Item number 1.
If it may please, my lord, this is my.
I beg to intervene in this matter, my lord, because my lord, yesterday I got a judicial order, my lord, and in a roundabout manner, my lord, the petitioners are trying to stop that puja. So Jagadhatri puja. So kindly, I will
allow me
all
to-
the parties finish their submission. I
Yes.
will make my submission, my lord. But kindly let me be allowed, my lord, to make my intervene in the matter.
Certainly.
Deeply obliged, my lords.
My lord, there's a history to this litigation. The history to this litigation is that this has been going on for years, and it's not just about one pujo. It's about pujos, it's about cricket tournaments, it's about football tournaments, it's about Christmas parties, everything being celebrated by blocking thoroughfares, which is not permissible in the eyes of law, and use of loudspeakers near a school, which is a school for the specially abled. Under the law,
Last year also we have passed an order.
yes, my lord.
116.
Yes, my lord.
What happened thereafter?
My lord, after that order, there was some peace for some time. Now again, this year from Jagadhatri on the pretext of Jagadhatri Puja, which is
No,
scheduled.
they are blocking the road, is it?
Yes, part encroachment has already happened, and mics are going to be installed. And the bigger fear is if this is allowed till such time the order was in place and they've been abiding by the order. Now once this starts, the floodgates will open, and again.
No, but they say they have obtained a judicial order.
We don't
Yesterday, my
order.
daughter.
Suppressing the solemn order of your honorable, of your lordships, my lord, we incorporated, we had made it
And
part
what
of
is
the
that
annexation.
judicial order?
My-
May I respectfully
lord.
hand over, my lord, the instruction?
Can I-
The
can I
order-
get a copy of it?
The copy of the order is annexed, my lord. Kindly, may I respectfully invite your lordship to the first annexure to the report, lordship. This has been passed yesterday.
Now the court has taken note of the fact
Yes, my lord.
that only the pandal size will be 12 feet long, 8 feet wide.
Yes,
And the road 27 feet will be clear.
yes,
The footpath also will be clear.
yes.
Only thing is we can request them not to use big sound boxes.
We have already stated
May
in
I-
our advertisement, my lord, that
May I
pursuant to
make
your
a-
lordship's solemn order, my lord, we have already made a representation before the police authorities that will not use sound box, and we have made it a part of the advertisement also.
First and foremost, this.
There
We
is
will
a-
not use sound box.
There is a school for the differently abled children nearby.
My lord, may I?
You have to have some.
Yes, sir.
concern.
Yes.
We will not play.
Your puja committee has to have some concern for the neighborhood.
Certainly, my lord.
Particularly the disadvantaged section of the people are the children who are differently abled, and we are told that it's a residential school.
Yes,
And you
No,
create
my lord,
such
I'm-
a nuisance
my lord, it is not a residential school.
My lord.
because your committee thinks they are bigger than Ma Jagadatri.
My lord, no. I go there. I am a resident of that
So
locality.
instead of that, instead of having the idol of Ma Jagadatri, we'll have the photographs of the president, secretary, vice president of your committee.
My lord, last year also I had gone there.
You-
I tell your lordship, an officer of the court, I tell your lordship, the Ma
All right,
Jagadhatri,
we'll appoint you as a special officer.
Ma
You go and stay in that place for the entire puja period, and you ensure peace in the locality.
my lord, may I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, may
Yes.
I? My lord,
We'll do
Jagadhatri,
that here.
My
We'll do
My
that
lord,
here
there
and
is
now.
one small suggestion.
Jagadhatri puja over there is observed with all rituals. There is no photograph of any.
Let there be the
No, no,
rituals.
I am suggesting to you, instead of Ma Jagadatri statue or Dala, you please keep the president's photograph because president thinks he is above the deity.
My
This
lord,
is all sheer ego, man. This is all sheer ego.
my lord,
Strength, show of strength. I am bigger than everybody.
no, my lord. I place, may I place
No,
before your lordship.
Can you deny the fact
Yes.
that there is a residential school for the differently able.
That is not a
No,
residential.
that is not a
school.
residential school,
is
my
not.
lord.
It's not.
But it is a school for specially able.
They
But
have
it is a school
vacations.
for
They
specially
have
able.
vacations
school
also,
and-
my lord. It's a day school.
It is a
11
school for
to 3.
specially able, yes.
11 to 3. Those schools are all along
We
with
can do one thing, we
Calcutta.
can so more to entertain an appeal against this order and grant stay of this order.
My lord,
Next year, we will hear both of you, all of you file affidavits, and then we will.
already
May I-
the puja has started. My lord, I leave it to your
No,
lordship.
no.
May I make
Already
a,
puja has
you-
started.
You should have some regard to the people of the locality. Do you mean to say the police can enforce saying that you have, your puja pandal should be 12 feet? Suddenly you make it 16 feet? And what will the OC do? You will honor him, you will bring him there, put him shawl, etc., give him a big gift, take photographs with him. Matter is
My
over.
lord, already we stated in our
More than 3 years I am here, madam.
my lord, already in the
And
petition.
I have visited Chandranagar last year for Jagadadir Puja. This year, I don't propose to go.
Maybe that is
Lordship
Chandanagar, my
might
lord.
have
My lord,
seen all the
I am
other
an officer
50
of the court,
pujas.
my lord. Kindly, yes, last year also I had gone there. We have halved it, my lord.
my
The
lord, there
pandal.
is a park.
After your
There is
lordship's
a park
my
where
lord.
we had only suggested that you hold it in the park,
We
which is
can't
within.
do anything because if you are aggrieved, you have to challenge this order.
Yeah, my lord, this order was actually, I don't know, it
But
was
one
not even
thing-
served on
We
us.
also don't know. Just now,
This was not even served on us, this writ petition. This order was just,
May I
public interest
This is the
specifically point
problem.
out one paragraph, my lord. Yes, stand taken is very contradictory by my learned friend appearing for the petitioner.
Huh?
In para 4, he says, except in Durga Puja, we are not going to allow any other puja. So you can hold Durga Puja with fanfare in that area for you because you are there.
no,
Oh, he's a
Para
challenge-
4, kindly see para
no,
4.
no,
My lord.
Kindly see para 4.
no,
Lordship.
not that.
No,
uh,
I am going by the averment.
Yes, yes.
This is a writ petition filed as a public interest litigation, praying for various reliefs, and in particular to restrain the respondents from conducting a puja in the place which has already been earmarked, for which the police have granted permission. As rightly pointed out by the learned government council, the petitioners do not object for conducting of Durga Puja in the very same location, but are objecting
it's
to
not in the same
conduct
location,
of
my lord.
other events.
It's not in the same location. There is no Durga Puja in the same location.
The learned advocate for the petitioner would submit that the location where the Durga Puja is conducted is a different location. Be that as it may, the Puja committee, namely Jodhpur Park Ananda Sangha, had filed a writ petition before this court in WPA 26577 of 2024, and the same has been disposed of, taking note of the stand taken by the Puja committee as well as the stand taken by the state, and that specific restriction has been made with regard to the pandal size and to ensure that 27 feet of the road is absolutely kept clear, and both the side footpaths will also be clear. The petitioner would point out that there is a school for the disabled children in the locality, and if loudspeakers and sound boxes are used, the children will be put to prejudice. The learned advocate appearing for the intervener, who appeared for the petitioner in WPA 26577 of 2024, submitted that the Puja committee has given a written undertaking to the police that they will not use sound box. In the light of the orders passed in the said writ petition dated 7/11/2024, no contrary order can be passed in this public interest litigation. However, we would observe that the Jodhpur Park Ananda Sangh, namely the Puja committee, shall have due regard to the people of the locality and ensure that none is put to inconvenience on account of conduct of the puja. The order and direction issued in the writ petition dated order dated 7/11/2024 shall be strictly complied with, and any other direction that may be issued by the state administration shall also be complied with by the Puja committee without default. Disposed of. Next.
My lord,
Very
the
grateful,
report
my
may be
lord.
retained with the record.
Yes.
Extremely
The
grateful, my
report
lord.
submitted